Right, morning. So today I've put something a little bit different together. I've been posting for the past few days a lot of minimalist type workouts using very little or no kit. But today I've gone round, I've just had a look at things that we've got around the house, and I've put them into making a little mini circuit for myself. And it's been really simple. All I've done is I've found a wheelbarrow, I've loaded that full of logs, put my sandbag in there, use that as heavy drags or farmers walks. I've stuck some chairs on top of each other and use that as a dipping station. I've put some, I've stacked some sunbeds in a line. I've used that as a reactive kind of jump or hop station. I've done burpees and sprints are free. Everyone loves them. Push-ups are also free. They are fantastic. And I'm going to run through the session with you now, and I'll show you how to construct the things. I've also found a 20-litre container, which I'm particularly chuffed with because I've been missing kettlebells like crazy. So I found a big 20-litre container and I filled that full of water, and that's then turned my kettlebell to do swings with. So if you haven't got the time or you haven't got the budget to join a typical commercial or Globo gym, it's not a problem. You just got to be a bit creative with what you've got available with you. You've seen in the past videos, all I've used is my own body weight, and we've had some fantastic sessions so far, and they are very demanding and very tough, and will get you in fantastic shape if you let it, or if you wanted to. Okay, so if you like what you see, hit subscribe, share these videos, drop any comments down below, and thanks for watching. Cheers.